Discover untamed beauty and tranquil living on Lot 2 in Aggies Acres, 5th Subdivision. An exceptional 2.97-acre parcel overlooking the breathtaking Calamus Reservoir and the rolling Nebraska Sandhills. The land features gentle slopes, open space, and an inspiring backdrop, a solid mix of natural beauty, practical infrastructure, and access to year-round recreation. With essential utilities and infrastructure already in place, such as power and fiber optic internet, the groundwork is in place for your dream home, cabin, or vacation retreat. A shared community well borders the lot, offering convenient access to water without the hassle of drilling. Calamus Reservoir is a hub for recreation, known for top-tier walleye and bass fishing, with multiple boat ramps for water activities. The surrounding Calamus State Recreation Area adds opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts to hike, camp, and enjoy wildlife viewing. A short drive from the property is the Calamus State Fish Hatchery, the largest in Nebraska, offering tours and educational displays about fish production and conservation. Whether you dream of building a lakefront vacation retreat or living lakefront full-time, this property is a rare opportunity to create something special in one of the state's most picturesque settings. For more information and a qualified showing, please contact Madison Ferentz at 402-879-8846.